Hello everybody, this is Dan Parker, the Blind Machinist. We're coming to you from the Blind Machinist World Headquarters, the 102nd floor. And today I'm doing something that I've done a little while back and I shared a video, but I want to make another one, show you some of the stuff I do. I'm building these brackets to mount something in the bed of my pickup truck, and started with 4x4 angle 1/4-inch aluminum, and that's the surface being mounted to the side of the truck bed. But the part that's hanging out inside the thing, I didn't want it to be squared off and look bad, so I'm making this radius here. So what I did is I drilled this hole 2.5 inches down, so that gave me a 2.5 inch radius. And I got a little setup on my mill. It's a little dangerous, but as I said before, I do all my own stunts. And so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna touch off that cutter, go back and forth. It keeps sweeping an arc, but I can't climb cut. I can only do conventional milling, because when I'm climb cutting, it's trying to snatch this out of my hand, which is obviously very dangerous. So what I'll do is I'll do a cut, then I'll back the table up just a fraction, move it this way, dial the cut in, sweep it, move it, offset the table back to clear it, put it back in its position, dial in some more cut. So we'll start this and show you a little way to make some radiuses, old school way. So it's already trying to snatch that out of my hand. So after this cut, so I'm offsetting my table, going back, dialing 50. I know on my hand on my bed that 50 thousandths is a quarter turn. I'm getting close. Gotta be safe. Quiet, got it cleaned up. I could tell that spot there was a little thin. So I'm gonna dial in about 25 from what we had it. Trying to be smooth in my feed, so I have a nice steady, finish. There we go. Just a little simple setup that makes attention to detail so much better when you're building something, whether it's for a customer or for yourself. I tell everybody something squared off looks like a dump truck. Something rounded has a little bit of style. I would rather have a 1/2 inch radius, but I don't have a way to do that. I'm happy with it. I Scotch brighted this one up a little bit. I appreciate everybody following my page. Follow me at The Blind Machinist on Facebook and Tragedy to Triumph Racing on Facebook. That's where I share all my stuff, my land speed car. In case you don't know it, I'm the world's fastest blind man at 211 miles per hour. I hold the Guinness Book of World Records for the fastest car driven blindfolded. Of course, I didn't need a blindfold. I'm 100% blind. That's the category that it's in. We're gonna have some really cool stuff coming out soon. A couple different areas, and looking forward to sharing it to you in the future. Y'all have a blessed day.